Good day, my dear friends. There is a beautiful quotation that says, if you like someone, he can never be wrong, but if you don't like him, he can never be right. In our gospel today, Jesus is pointing out to the stubbornness of the people. They don't want to welcome the message of John and Jesus. Kaya nga, even when John came, na simple ang buhay, sinabihan pa rin nila na he is possessed by the demon. At when Jesus came, nakaligulo sa mga tao, nakikain, nakiinom, sinabihan na he is a glutton, matakaw at manginginom. Walang mali kay Juan at kay John. Ang mali ay sa mga puso nitong mga tao na ito na hindi bukas, tigas sa pag-welcome ng kanilang message. My dear friends, nangyayari ito sa araw-araw nating buhay. May mga tao na kahit sa gaano nilang pagsisikap na gumawa ng tama at mabuti, ay mali pa rin sila sa ating paningin. Hindi natin sila napapahalagan dahil ayaw natin sa kanila. Pero mayroon din mga tao na kahit alam natin na mali ang kanilang ginagawa, pinagtatakpan natin. Minsan pinagtatanggol pa natin. At minsan pinipraise pa natin. Why? Because they are popular. Because we need their favor or because we like them. The difference, kung mangibabaw sa atin ang personal biases, inahadlangan natin ang ating sarili na para sa katarungan at katotohanan. Kaya in our gospel, Jesus is challenging us to go beyond our personal likes and dislikes, our prejudice, our biases, and to look with the eyes of truth, mercy, and love, just as how God sees us. And we always remember this: if you like someone, he can never be wrong, but if you don't like him, he can never be right.